Okay, so my name is Paul Blanquer. I'm doing this alone, and this is a bit of an experiment. I've produced an app or a service. What I've done is a bit of an exploration into open data, and particularly local open data. As a health hackathon, I've been trying to find local health data to play around with. Okay? So what is the problem? Well, there's two problems really. First is getting open data, getting governments and organisations and charities to make data available. But then there's another problem once it's out there, and we're starting to see that there. So we've got data.gg in Guernsey, starting to make data available, and hopefully get the same going in Jersey soon. But then what can we actually do with it? So that's what I was interested in exploring. So if we go to sort of the data.gg. So you can go to data.gg and look at a few graphs, and then you can download some data sets, but what do you do with it beyond that? So you can load it into an Excel spreadsheet and start playing with the pivot tables, but that's not going to get you very far. What else can you do? So I've been looking at a tool called Jupyter, which is a web-based scientific notebook. And it allows you to load data sets, execute code, use Python and R in these documents. It's got advanced plotting and graphing capabilities, and text and images and mathematical formulas. Yep. So this is a good environment for exploring data. And just very quickly, where it came from, it started out as a Python shell, an interactive Python shell that kind of grew features and evolved into this web-based notebook. And it's now been decoupled from Python, and it's got a lot of funding, $6 million funding in the US. And Microsoft have started hosting it in their Azure machine learning platform. So it's not a hobby project. But what does it actually do? Let's have a look. So this is running a server locally. It's presenting a file system. So we've got a folder here, Help Hackathon. And in here I've got a bunch of notebooks I've been playing around with. Just open one of these up. So this is some data from data.gg. What you've got here, you've got different cells. This is a text cell. And these are all editable. So this is editable in Markdown. And this is a code cell. So you'll see that this is actually executable code. So I can actually go in there. This is just a bit of Python. This is actually going onto the internet, fetching that URL, which is a data set from data.gg, and it's just printing out the contents. So actually run that live. That's gone to fetch the data set, and it's printing out what it's got. And then there's various other things we can do. We're loading that data into what's called a data frame, which is a bit like a cross between a spreadsheet and a database table, which is a facility of both. And of course, from there you start to get you get all the facilities. You can start looking at the different columns. I'm doing some calculations here, so I'm working out percentages of various columns relative to other columns. Plot those. So you can very quickly get visualizations up. Oh, it's running out of time. But yeah, that's what I've been doing.